Hey, what's going on? I'm Joshua Gill, and I want to tell you a story about the sweater that I'm wearing. And this sweater is actually a Navy boot camp sweater, and it's also the sweater that I wore when I made my first $20 online. All right, now I know you guys are thinking. As a matter of fact, hold on. I wore the entire outfit. I mean, I just decided to even the socks. I just decided to cut a video today because I actually had on the exact same thing when I made my first money online. I didn't have to get dressed. I just walk out of bed. It was actually in November, like the beginning of November of last year, 2013. And I made my first money online. It was the sweetest thing on the planet. I woke up out my sleep. I get an email and it says, bam, you made $20. And I'm like, get the fuck out of here. Get the hell out of here. Like, I made money online. Like, this some bullshit. Like, I didn't even get dressed. You know, I'm used to clocking in. I'm used to getting somebody in my ear telling me to come to a meeting. I'm used to all that stuff. Ever since then, all right, guys, when you make your first $20 online, it's going to, like, blow your freaking mind. It's like, all the stuff that I'm talking about now won't be relevant. That $20 will be your proof. Now, as you know, it's a lot of people out there that make money online. I mean, what? My girl Janelle Maxey, she a beast, all right? Brandon, he even wrote my Facebook page and he was like, Josh, this stuff works, all right? And I'm going to give you the information that I made. I'm going to give you the exact same video that I made. And the good thing about it, I'm going to tell you exactly how to get started, all right? What is Instant Rewards? That's the program that I actually got in, and I made my first money online, all right? So Instant Rewards, what it is a conglomerate of companies that actually want to get people's business and services by getting people to try their trials. And they're using you, to market these things. And when somebody tries a trial that you market with your marketing link, all right, you get paid $20. Now, how hard is it? All right, it's not hard. I posted this daggone ad to give you in the free training that they provide, which you'll actually see, all right, you get registered. Register is just putting your name and address on there. It's a lot faster than writing the application down for a job. All right, you get registered. You do have to try the trials because they won't let you market their products unless you try the trials. Now, who are these companies? FreeCreditReport.com, Netflix, Gamefly. Oh, I was a Gamefly. And you try the trials. Some of them 7 days, some of them 30 days, so on and so forth. You have to try the trials. Yes, they do make you put their credit card in just in case you decide to keep the trial. But here's the catch: you're not obligated to even keep the trials. All you got to do is just try them. And you can cancel it. Once you try the trials up to a certain period amount of time, regardless if you keep it or not, you are qualified, my friend. Some of them are instantaneous, all right, where you actually get qualified instantly. Some of them make you wait for 75% of the trial before they can actually get you qualified to do the product and service. It's actually a lot easier than the way I'm explaining it, and I don't even really need to, because that link right above or to the right is actually the link that's going to explain everything, and it does a hell of a lot better than I can. So just don't listen to me. Just listen to how I spent this $20. I went and spent this $20, and I bought like Chico sticks. All right, I bought like Chico sticks, and I gave them out to all the kids in the neighborhood. I did that with like the first half of it. The second half of it, I got like $7 worth of gas in the V6, which is like 2 drops. All right. And guys, I'm telling you, it was the greatest thing on the planet, passing out Chico sticks. It was some birthday party, something like that. And it was a whole bunch of kids, and I passed out Chico sticks. So, guys, go ahead, click on the link. Go see what it's all about. Get registered. I'm telling you, most people get stopped at the credit card. It's legit. I won't put out no scammy shit on my own Facebook, YouTube page where you can actually contact me, and you can actually post it on my page saying, Josh, it's a scam, blah, blah, blah. Why would the hell I do that? All right. I wouldn't do that. It's legit. Make sure you're reading to the fine lines and everything of the trials that you're doing, so you won't get stuck with something that you don't know nothing about or whatever. I mean, you got Free Credit Report, Netflix, you'll see it on the other side. Just click on the link right above my head, or to the right if you're expanding this video on Facebook, or below if you're looking at it on YouTube. I don't know, I might put it on YouTube. If you're looking for income proof, since I made that, I've made thousands of dollars off of Instant Rewards, and I really don't get dressed when I make that kind of money either. And if you want to see income proof, go to my YouTube page. My YouTube page is youtube.com facebook.com/expand with Josh. All right, and I take you straight in my PayPal. I'll show you all the hundreds of dollars of deposits that I get a day by Instant Rewards, and you can go on the Instant Rewards Facebook page. All right, I think we got a couple members. I don't even know half those people on there. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know. I might post this on there, but it's facebook.com/IR advertisers. Okay, and you'll see some income proofs on there, and I got another business page. It's Expand with Josh. That's on Facebook too. I don't know if you need to know all that. Just click on a damn link, get started, make money, and post a video up in your underwear or in your favorite sweatshirt when you make your first $20, and feel free to link up with me and ask me any other questions. Peace.